In this video, we will be discussing Notes on the Invention of Shoes by Rabindranath Tagore. First of all, we will discuss about the antonyms. These are most of the antonyms that I have given. Dirty, clean, end, begin, sleepless, incautious, napping, pale, ruddy, high-colored, far, near, wide, narrow, gathered, scattered or dispersed, long, short or brief, deep, shallow. Fill, empty, fast, slow. Solve, complicate, royal, low-born or crownless. Blank, expressive, indoor, outdoor. Worried, carefree or calm. Wrap, unwrap. Smiled, frowned. Permit, deny. Simple, complicate or difficult. Old, new. Cover, uncover. Forgive, punish or blame. Finished, started or began. Question and answers. What was King Hobu worried about? King Hobu was worried about his feet getting dirty whenever he stepped on the ground. He wanted to get rid of the dust in the kingdom so that his feet would remain clean. The people in the kingdom came up with many solutions for the king's problems. Place the solutions in the correct order, then tick the solutions that worked and cross out the solution that did not work. Give reasons for both. I have arranged in the answer. I have already arranged all the answers along with the reasons. So first we will have number C. They tried to sweep all of the dust from the kingdom with brooms. So this plan did not work. It did not work because the sweeping covered the entire kingdom with dust. Then number A. They tried to wash off all the dust with water. What is the reason? The water got mixed with the dust and filled the kingdom with slush. The animals could not walk and the fish could not swim. No work could get done. People fell sick. So this plan also did not work. Then number D. They wanted the king to stay at home. The king did not accept this idea because he felt his royal work would get stopped and the kingdom would be ruined if he stayed indoors. So this plan also did not work. Then the last one, number B. The tanner suggested that the king could cover his feet with leather. This plan worked because the shoes protected the king's feet from dust and he could walk about freely without worrying about the dust. What is the difference between the solution given by the tanner and the others in the king's court? The solution given by the tanner could be easily worked out without causing hardship and difficulty to others. If he wanted to protect his feet, all that the king needed to do was to cover his feet. But the others in the kingdom offered suggestions without thinking if they were practically possible. The ideas caused a lot of difficulty and hardship to everyone in the kingdom. Read the sentence and answer the questions given below. Number 1. You were supposed to get rid of the dust, not fill the world with it. Did the entire world really get filled with dust? Why does the king say so? Answer. The entire world did not get filled with the dust, but the king says that to show the amount of dust all the sweeping had brought about. Number 2. They made a purchase of 17,50,000 brooms. 21 lakh water carriers set out with bags of water. Question. Why do you think the author gives us these numbers? What picture does it create in your mind? Answer. The author gives us these numbers to show the large amount of money and work involved. It gives us a feeling of a very huge activity involving hundreds of people, lots of noise and dust. Number 3. The royal feet saved, so was Gobu, and so was the earth. How was the earth saved? Answer. The king and his men had already done enough damage to the earth by sweeping all the mud and then emptying the rivers and lakes. They even wanted to cover the entire kingdom with carpets and leather. So the tanners' clever idea stopped the king's men from causing more damage to the earth. Appreciating the text. Do you think the invention of shoes is a funny story? Underline the sentences that make you smile or laugh. Give reasons. Answer. Yes, I think that the invention of shoes is a funny story. Let's see what are the examples along with their reasons. Number 1. You have no concern for the king or the kingdom or the problems that bother me. Reason: the king blames the minister for a problem as small as dirty feet. Second example. You were supposed to get rid of the dust, not fill the world with it. Reason: this scene is comical because the king gives the men a responsibility, but they mess things further. Besides, the king, who was worried only about his feet, is now covered with dust on his face and chest as well. Third example. Keep the king indoors. Reason: the thought of a great king sitting indoors all day to protect his feet makes the situation very comical. Fourth example. Everyone bowed to the king. What a brilliant idea, Your Royal Highness, they said. Reason: it is funny to see that everyone is appreciating a silly and an impractical idea. Question number 2. I had the same idea myself. Some way or the other, the fellow must have got hold of my idea. Answer: this is not true. Goburai, the minister, says this because he wants to show that he is a clever man. He does not want to look foolish in front of the others. He wanted to take credit for the clever idea. This tells us that he is selfish and cunning. Today's assignment for you: what was the consequences of pouring water to wash away every speck of dust? Kindly write your answers in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day.